Hi everybody, this is your PED-118 instructor Brian Kaprowski. I hope you're having a great Wednesday morning here. I just want to go over with you the assignments that are due tonight and what is coming up for next week. So first of all, what is due today on January the 27th? Your week 1 prescribed workout is going to be due, and the weekly log will be due as well. So if we click on the announcement page here in the class, I'll enter into your student view, your week 1 workout, which should be listed. Where is that? Right here. Okay, so all of this, which you should have started performing and recording starting last Wednesday, as I stated in the other last week recording. This should all be recorded, as well as your cardio week workout week 1, which consisted of a 30-second sprint and a 30-second jog. That should have all been recorded, and you need to submit that by tonight, right here. So you would click on that, you would answer all the questions that I went over in the previous video, and you need to complete that all by this evening at 11:59 p.m. In addition to that, if you recall from the last video, you will need to click here where it says video quizzes, and you will need to take the push-up quiz. Okay? And the push-up quiz is based on the video. If you click on here, so all of the exercises that I'm prescribing to you in the class, all the exercises will be listed here under exercise videos. Okay, and so if you haven't done so, please watch all the videos, especially watch the video again on push-ups, which is right here, and then click in the video quiz tab and take the push-up quiz video by 11:59 p.m. tonight. So let's look ahead. So you should have received an announcement that I sent out yesterday, and that would be your new up and coming week prescribed workout. Okay, and you can see here, if you had some issue receiving that email, please refer to the announcement page. So the week 2 prescribed workout and the cardio workout is all listed on here. There is one additional exercise that I prescribe, and that is hip, ab, and adduction. Okay, so to watch that video on how to perform that, click on the course resource tab, click on the exercise videos, and you can watch the video on how to perform hip, ab, and adduction side laying routine there. Okay. So let's go back to the course resource tab. I know I'm jumping around here a little bit on you. Okay, we'll go back to the announcement page. Okay, and we'll scroll down to this week. So this will be the coming week's workout routine. Okay, so you can start that today, or which will be Wednesday, and then you go Friday, and then Monday, and then you can record it on Wednesday if you like. So I'm asking that you perform your workout routine 3 days a week. Now I do understand, as I stated before, that things come up, right? And you might not be able to do it consistently Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's fine, and I understand that. But try to give yourself a day rest in between, just for allow your body for proper rest and maintenance. Okay, let's also look ahead down here. So we're now in week 2, which would be the week that is coming up, and I advanced you here with your cardiac workout. So with the week 2 workout, pertaining to the cardio, you're going to perform a 35-second sprint pace, and then you're going to do a 45-second jog for the interval training, and you're going to perform that 6 times. So this is what your cardiac workout will be for this week in bold. Okay. Next, let's look ahead at the exercise video quiz. Okay. If you see here, the next quiz, which will be due on February the 3rd, will be your burpee quiz. Okay. So make sure that you're watching the burpee video in the course resource tab, and then afterwards you're taking that burpee quiz by the 3rd. Okay. If you have any other additional questions or concerns with the class, or if you have problems navigating the course, please feel free to reach out to me anytime and I'll get back to you, and I'll be sure to answer your question in a timely manner. There is one other additional topic that I want to go over with you. You will have a human anatomy quiz around the midpoint of the semester, and I will be releasing some information on that and how to study for it and when that quiz will be due within the next several weeks. So make sure you're looking out for that announcement there. Hope that you have a great week and good luck training. Take care. Bye-bye.